Is the summer heat making you sweat in your living room while you browse local AC installation companies in Grand Rapids, Michigan? Depending on where you look, you could see offers for AC installations or AC replacements. But what's the real difference? Let's break it down. Some homes are unique in that many don't have central air conditioning. This is the case with many of our local turn-of-the-century residences. So when they hire a Kent County air conditioning company, they'll have to consider an installation, which is essentially starting from scratch. This process takes a home with no existing AC equipment, ductwork, or circuits, and installs everything brand new. Now, if your home already has an air conditioning system, the replacement process is much more straightforward and often faster. In most cases, your HVAC technicians will reuse the existing ductwork and circuits as long as they're in excellent condition. By reusing existing parts, an AC replacement typically takes less time and costs much less than an installation. No matter your comfort needs, your heating and cooling specialists at Sullivan Heating, Cooling, Plumbing are here to help with honest and reliable service. We'll help you find the right system for your home to provide consistently cool air. Contact us today for a free quote on an AC installation or replacement in Grand Rapids, Michigan.